Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
1 in 10 people will have a kidney stone over the course of a lifetime. Health experts recommend staying hydrated to avoid this and reducing the consumption of food that increase the risk of kidney stones. Stay hydrated. When urine contains more fluid, it is less likely that minerals and salts will form stones. Darker urine is a sign of dehydration, so stay hydrated. Urine should usually appear pale yellow. Therefore, experts recommend that a person drinks between 6 to 8 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated. Reduce salt intake to avoid kidney stones. Salt can increase water retention in body and lead to dehydration. It also increases the amount of calcium in your urine. Experts suggest that adults should keep their body salt intake to 2300 milligrams. This is equal to 1 teaspoon of table per day. Some examples of high salt foods include chips, deli and smoked meats, in addition to most packaged and prepared meals. Limit foods with calcium oxalate. Kidney stones are made of many different compounds, including uric acid, struveate, and cysteine. The most common type of kidney stone involve calcium oxalates. One study analyzed nearly 44,000 kidney stones. The study found that 67% were composed mainly of calcium oxalate. Doctors usually only recommend restricting oxalate intake to those at a high risk of kidney stones or those with high oxalate levels in the body. Consuming calcium alongside oxalate-rich foods may reduce the risk of kidney stones as well, because it permits the binding of chemicals together before they reach the kidney. Foods that contain high levels of oxalate includes grapefruit, cranberry juice, potatoes and soybeans, also tomatoes also. Limit animal proteins. You should also limit animal proteins such as red meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood. Animal protein increases the level of uric acid and could lead to kidney stones as well. A high protein diet also reduces levels of citrate. Citrate is a chemical in the urine that helps prevent stones from forming. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well. Thank you.